Hey folks, today we're going to go over the 2022 Crossroads RV Zinger 341RK. This has a dry weight of 8,034 pounds with an overall GVWR of 11,200 pounds, having an overall cargo capacity of 3,166 pounds. Having a hitch weight of 1,004 pounds, exterior height of 11 foot 4 inches, overall length of 38 feet even, and an exterior width of 8 feet. Your holding tanks are as follows: freshwater tank 51 gallons, black water tank 39 gallons, gray water tank 78 gallons. Hey folks, today we're going to go over the 2022 Crossroads Zinger. This is going to be the 341RK model. So this is going to have a rear kitchen, nice living area, nice bedroom. Overall, really kind of a unique layout. I can't wait to show it to you. We're going to start out front here. It's going to have two 20-pound cylinders with a battery tray for two Group 24 size batteries. You're going to have your power tongue jack, everything that you come to know as modern amenities in a trailer. This has got them all. Now coming on back, you're going to see that you have a very large opening for a pass-through storage, and this thing does go all the way through. Massive amount of storage space in this trailer. And another thing that Crossroad does with their trailers is that they do this tinted privacy glass all the way around, which is a very nice feature. And then you have one awning up here, and then you actually have a second awning separately all the way in the back. That way you're not losing real estate under this slide over here, and you also get the nice solid steps right here. Now coming on back, we're underneath the second awning here, and the reason why they have two split awnings here is that more times than not you're going to run into a situation where they're like, well, why is there a slide underneath the one awning? You're losing real estate. So what do they do to make more space on the inside and have more shade on the outside? They did two awnings. And underneath the second awning over here, you have a nice little outside kitchen, 2-burner stove, little dorm room refrigerator right here, and you also get a second entrance right here behind me to go into the kitchen area. So coming on back, I wanted to take a quick minute to talk to you about our presence on social media. We are on all platforms, so you can find us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and now TikTok. Our media department is putting out TikTok information near daily. So go ahead, and if you're liking this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, give us a follow. We're doing content, new content every day with how-tos, camper walkthroughs like this one, or just general information about RVing specifically. Go ahead and subscribe. All right, so coming into the 341RK, we're going to start in the back here, and this is that rear kitchen that I was telling you about. Really cool concept in a travel trailer. You really don't see this one a lot in a travel trailer. So what's the big thing that you're getting with the rear kitchen? You're getting a ton of kitchen space. A lot of counter space over here. You're getting counter space over here, and you even get some really big storage cabinets and things like that. Lots of drawers, and you even get your nice 12-volt refrigerator next to your 3-burner stove and microwave. Dual stainless steel sinks. It's going to have more kitchen features than what you're going to find in your normal travel trailer. Now, moving forward in this trailer, you're going to have this nice freestanding table and chairs. Really comfortable chairs too, and a lot of table space. Sometimes when you get that freestanding table and chairs, you don't really get, the nice comfortable chairs. You don't get a nice big table. Crossroads, they want to offer you some of the best amenities and features that you're going to get in the industry. This is just one of them. And kind of moving forward up here in the living room, you're going to come up here to the entertainment center. In the entertainment center, you have a 43-inch TV in this one. You have your 5100 BTU fireplace heater, soundbar, some storage above, And then you move over here to the other slide out that has your jackknife sofa. And I do believe that there is an option for other features if you wanted to put those in here to, you know, kind of have a different seating arrangement or a different sleeping arrangement. And moving back, you get your additional sofa right here. So it's just really kind of homey in here, and a lot of really great seating so that everybody can kind of gather in, be one with another, and just have the ultimate family time. Now, coming into the bathroom on the 341FK, you got a nice little counter here with a nice deep sink underneath your medicine cabinet with a mirror. You have your stand-up 32 by 32 shower with your ventilation fan, and you get your toilet right down here in the corner. Now, coming into the bedroom of the 341, really kind of a nice amount of walk around space here in the bedroom. Now, I know some folks out there, you've had a trailer before, and this is one thing that you might always kind of be left to desire, is a little bit more space walking around the bed. Now, and to give you in reference, I'm 6 foot, about 300 pounds, and kind of coming around here, there's plenty of space for me to just stand here, walk around, and do what I need to do to get ready to crawl into bed. You have your normal bedside wardrobes. You have some overhead space here, and then there is a fitting up here that if you wanted to, make sure you talk to your salesman about options, because I do believe you can get a second air conditioner that is dedicated 100% to the bedroom. And another big feature over here to close out the bedroom is you either have a washer and dryer closet, or you have more stand-up space in here. You see your washer and dryer hookups. There's 2 sets of 110 outlets, and some overhead storage above that as well. Really cool feature. Hey guys, thanks again for coming to check out the Zinger 341RK with me. This is a very, very cool layout. It's very unique. So if you're out there looking for something that is not going to be like all the Joneses have, go ahead and check this one out. It's got a lot of really great features, as we saw, and there's so much more to see that we just can't simply fit in the video. As I said before, if you like this video, go ahead and give us a like, hit the subscribe button. Follow us on all social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and we'll love to see you out there.
Cool. Good start. Good.